Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Soundcore Liberty 4 Pro headphones and I'm going to tell you how to call Siri. At first we have to enter our Soundcore application, which looks like this. And now we have to enter our headphones menu, tapping on it. Wait a moment, we have to connect to them here, and now we have to tap on the gesture. There is no defaultly set gesture for our headphones to call Siri. As you can see, if I set it to default, we can see that we have long press ambient sound to the left one. So I will change long press to Siri, as you can see. Now we have set it to Siri. So now I closed up, and now our touch panel is over here. We have to pinch this to call Siri, as you can see. Now I am doing this. As you can see, Siri works. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.